Hello, it's Binny here. Today I want to talk about a trade which I mentioned this Tuesday on USOIL, and I want to show you how simple it is. Alright, for me, I don't want to look into my wrong trades, but I want to look into those correct trades and to understand why they are correct. What are the steps that I can repeat to make sure I get the next trade correct? So let's take a look into USOIL. Number one, if you can't see things properly, alright, we always start off with the day chart, and you can switch your chart into a line chart. Alright, so I repeat, alright, switch to a line chart and look at it in a day. Alright, so what do we see here? Number one is that at the place where there was a potential short, which was around here, one, you remember it retested to a previous high, so that means that there was a retest. Alright. Number two is that the overall trend was still down. That means that you are not trading against the trend, you are trading with the trend. Now, number three, that the short that you are doing, which was around here, was actually a sell at the high. Why do I mean by when it was a sell at the high? If you look at what happens previously, so this was a high. Alright, so this was a low. Now, when we attempt to sell it, we are not selling here because here would be a low. We are selling somewhere near to the high between this space here. That means that if this is a 10 and if this is a 1, then that means that when we are selling probably near to 7 or 6. Okay, 6 to 7 here. Alright, so the third point is when you want to sell when it is at a high. Right. Now, next is that what is happening right now? It is near to a low. That means that price is right now near to a previous low. Right. So we are looking, if this is the case, then we are looking to take profit. And of course, then you will be asking yourself, right? Is there any other clues to take the trade, which was around here? Then yes, there was a hidden divergence. So the hidden divergence becomes an extra tools for you to use that. Okay, so let's recap exactly on where you have shorted at. Number one, you look for green line. Green is to sell. So when you are selling, you wait for price to close below the green line. So that's around here. Alright, so this is the exact place that you sell. Number two, you sell when price is near or is below the opening bar low. So this is the opening bar low, and you sell when it's below it. Alright, and then where do you take profit? You take profit when it's near to a low. So we know that right now is near to a low, and what happened? You take profit when if price is also showing a close above the opening bar high. So you do it the opposite way. Alright, so that's a very nice execution to trade.